Welcome to Min, Idiots in Cars, where real moments on the road unfold with cinematic intensity. Here, split-second choices shape destinies and every frame carries a lesson. Settle and steady your breath and follow the stories the asphalt refuses to forget. Ignoring the stop sign, the Renault driver created a dangerous situation at the intersection. Traffic signs exist for safety, slow down, and respect every signal. Reaching a corner, a bus struck a pedestrian and pushed them off balance, but they were unharmed. Corners are risky, slow down, and check every blind spot. Losing its brakes on a U.S. roadway, a truck slammed into traffic and triggered a serious crash. Mechanical failures strike fast. Regular checks keep everyone safe. After a car crashed and caught fire nearby, drivers rushed in to pull the occupants to safety. Courage saves lives, stay alert, and be ready to help. Rushing across the tracks, a container truck was struck and split by an oncoming train. Rail crossings demand patience, stop, look, and wait for safety. A sudden hard brake caused a large steel coil to roll forward, crushing the trailer's front before falling onto the road. Heavy cargo needs strict securing, stay alert, and keep distance. A group of spectators narrowly escaped a severe incident when danger struck nearby. Crowded events require vigilance, stay alert, and keep a safe distance. A cargo truck lost control and slammed into a rocky slope, turning a routine drive into a harsh reminder of road limits. Control your speed, respect every... Reckless speeding on the highway caused the car to trigger incidents for 2 other vehicles before the driver drove off. Irresponsible exits endanger all stay. An explosion in Wilmington injured 9 firefighters with 2 in critical condition. Emergencies escalate fast, stay clear of danger zones, and follow safety alerts. Every impact you've witnessed carries a lesson written in crumpled metal and shaken voices. Let these moments stay with you as you step back onto the road where losing control. A woman driver struck a fuel pump and sent it flying before her car filled with smoke. Every story you witnessed leaves a quiet tremor, a reminder that the road listens to no one. Mayan, Idiots in Cars, shares these moments so each driver can see the thin line between control and chaos. Stay aware. Stay grounded. If this changed how you see the drive, like, share, and subscribe for more new stories waiting ahead for you.